Hi, we're here at the Federal Signal booth at the 2023 Utility Expo, featuring the Nightspire LED Spot Floodlight. From spotlight to floodlight capability, the Nightspire provides 360 degrees of continuous rotation to direct light where needed. The Nightspire is designed to withstand adverse conditions on the road, job site, and even in the car wash. It offers maximum protection against dust and water, proven by its IP69K rating. The Nightspire includes a full-featured wireless controller with an easy-to-grip design and backlit pad-printed buttons. Each wireless controller can pair up to 3 lights if needed, eliminating multiple controllers. The Nightspire also has 2 memory control functions that enable users to move the spotlight to pre-programmed locations. With safety as the #1 priority for utility truck operators in a work zone, choose the Nightspire, an innovative, powerful, and reliable spot and flood LED light. The Icon utility bar is designed with high-powered LEDs and multi-function capability, featuring a unique flood spotlight with SAE Class 1 amber warning and amber or white cruise light. The Icon utility bar is constructed of die-cast aluminum housing and a bezel-less hard-coated polycarbonate lens to resist scratches and reduce dirt, snow, and ice accumulation. With all these features in mind, it makes the Icon utility bar a great choice for anyone seeking a flood spotlight that is durable to withstand tough conditions and meet safety standards. For more information on the Icon utility bars and all the Federal Signal products, check out our website at fedsig.com.